Hola. I've actually never filmed on my iPad before. That is blurry. This thing costs like £1,000. Why is it blurry? Rude. Okay. I need to film a packing one. Where's the camera? Oh my god. I'm going on a weekend away. I'm going to vlog it because people ask for vlogs. I'm trying to film some packing. It's not working out. My phone's charging. I am running late. So we're using this iPad. Packing montage. Let's go. Oh no. Oh my god. Are you okay?
We'll cool it down.
Hello everybody, I have been kidnapped. Somebody please call the police. The colour seems really bright. What is going on there? That's a bit better. There you go. We have arrived. I feel like Christina's taken me to the set of what's it called? Nine Perfect Strangers. It's given me very microdose, very tricked into a cult. Like,
no one has offered us any mysterious drinks yet.
yeah. We have a map. Close up of the map. And I've just got to survive 72 hours without being kidnapped. Love that for us.
Hi. Welcome to our room at Birch.
Oh my god, show me everything.
Come in. So here you go. Here's our entrance hall. Like our very own rustic bag. Yeah.
So rustic, so handmade.
Yeah,
Like,
I'm pretty sure this is handmade. Look at that.
ceramic.
Yeah. Very fancy. We have our nice full-length mirror just to make sure that we look Instagram perfect before we head out onto the property. And then our one bath and toilet situation with these, I don't know where these are from. They look fancy. Fancy stuff. Yeah. And this is our bed. Look at that.
This bed is huge. Like, is it?
I think
It's huge, right? My pillows touch on my bed.
This is also There's no TV or anything. All we have is this like
Satellite.
radio
Is it even?
antenna.
Is it called satellite or is it analog?
I don't know. It has an antenna. Can you change the channel?
It's giving me vintage. I can't play music because I'll get copyright strike. So it's giving me silence.
Just pretend that there's like some bomb-ass music coming on.
Let's do some ASMR. Wait, ASMR radio. Okay, thank you for the tour.
You're welcome.
I feel like my outfit is giving too sporty for this place. Christina's giving like countryside chic. She's got her walking shoes.
Yeah.
I did not understand the assignment, but we're doing gymming, so it's fine.
Yeah, this is true, like urban city dweller. This is the vibes that you're serving right now.
I'm serving London when I should be serving Zone 5. Okay, outfits of the evening. I'm wearing my little Halara yoga leggings. We've got some leggings here. I've got this cute little sports bra. It's the one with the back. Where are we going?
We're going to the wellness center to get our vinyasa yoga on.
Namaste.
With house music in the background.
With house music.
With a live DJ.
With a DJ. Fun times.
That one.
I want this one. It just looks lonely. Wait, no, there you are.
Yeah.
Into the woods. This is where kidnaps and murders happen. If you never see us again, put this clip on the news. I'll throw my phone into the bushes. Excuse me, you're ruining my ASMR. Wait 1 second. Okay, go. This morning, I forced Christine to do a morning meditation. She seemed to enjoy it. She did the wiggling, she did the waking up, the vision making. And now you still look sleepy. We're just gonna go get some breakfast. Should we go inside?
Are we allowed to?
Yeah, I saw the kids in there yesterday. Morning, chickens. Morning, guys. How you doing? Hi, morning. Oh my god. Oh, they're coming. Hi, chickens. Baka, baka. Are chickens friendly? I feel like I should have thought about that before we came in. Come on. Hi. I feel like I'm back to the corner, Christine.
Yeah, I'm following you.
Chicken army. Oh. Christine, help. Go. We need to ask reception if they're friendly before we do that, okay?
They're all complicated, like.
Good morning, everyone. I'm gonna like check if you're friendly. I'm gonna come back.
I'm going for the pizza slice.
Okay. Okay. Ah! This is not fun.
This doggy is just yes, doggy. Eat your barbecue. He's licking. Christine said this pig that's half pink and half black is Blackpink. It is. The piggy is here celebrating Lisa's solo debut with his skin markings. Good fan, good little blink.
Hello friends.
What's up with that? Is that light?
It's just a light reflection. Wait.
That's weird.
Oh.
What is that?
Yeah, it's just from the light. All the lights here are weird.
It's like coming down from heaven.
I'm in a lot of physical pain from the many workouts we have done. I never want to work out again. The food was very, very good. What else did we need to update on?
The pool.
The pool was very, very nice. And we found the only sunny bit of the weekend, which was perfect. The gym instructors were very, very nice. The gym was beautiful. The classes were very hard.
But we survived them.
Just about. We have meditation later, which is a lot easier. I can deal with that. We're just changing into comfortable clothes because we dressed up for lunch and it's too painful to be in these nice clothes. So we're putting on flexible clothes to go find like a nice place to read. Woo! She's got her flares on. I am yet to change because my legs hurt. I'm trying to think, is there anything else I should have said on the camera?
The pigs and the sheep and the chickens.
Yeah. Pig, sheep, chickens. We were both too pussy to see the bees. We saw the bees from afar. And that's it. We're almost at the end of this wonderful weekend. Oh, we went to the bakery.
Oh, yeah.
We went to the bakery and they don't do cake. Which is like, it's a beautiful baking space and they don't do cake.
What a shame. Like such a waste of
It's a waste. Space. It's sadness. And they don't have a smoothie bar, and I think that's my only complaint for the whole weekend is there's no smoothie bar. I would like a smoothie bar and a salad bar would just finish off.
Yeah, get your protein shakes on.
Exactly.
Right.
Christine, how do you feel after your first sound bath?
I feel so relaxed and refreshed.
You would sound bath again, yeah?
100%.
Did you fall asleep in the sound bath?
Yes, I did. And I snored a little.
Just a tiny bit. But you came back. I heard you do the last deep breath. I was like, oh, she heard that? Okay, well done, Christine.